Hello everybody. Now I am conducting class 3 social studies class. Which class am I conducting now? That is class 3 social studies class. Today we will learn about something new. Okay, we will start a new chapter, a new topic. That is chapter number 11, the earth and the solar system. So first I would like to discuss that what is the solar system. Solar system means the system that we can find, that is in our universe. Okay, so solar system means that we are following some heavenly bodies. Following that heavenly bodies, when we can find this, that is the part of our solar system. And in our solar system, who is the main member of the solar system? Definitely the sun. Who is the main member of the solar system? The sun. And there are 8 planets who are surrounding the sun. They are continuously orbiting around. Okay, so this is the prior most important thing. Now we will discuss about the sun. What is the sun? Sun is actually one star. What is sun? Sun is actually one star. Okay, star means what? Who has its own heat, own light, own fire. That is described, that is considered as sun. And which is considered as the planets? Those who don't have their own lights, those who don't have their own heat, they are considered as the planet. So we can see that very clearly that the sun and the other planets we can find around us. Okay, not around us, we can we know about that, and we will learn about this, which planets are continuously moving around the sun. So the solar system, the planets and the satellite. Which is the planet? Planet means those who don't have their own light, those who don't have their own heat. They are considered as planet. Who are considered as star? Those who have their own heat, they are considered are their star. And which are the satellite? The most planets have heavenly body that move around them. That is considered as the what? That is considered as the satellite. So who are considered as satellite? Most planets have heavenly bodies. Those who are moving around the sun, they are considered as the planet satellite. So the earth satellite is what? Yes, the moon is the satellite of the earth. Now you will get so many things like one most important thing, that Pluto is an heavenly body that was called a planet for over 70 years. Okay, then scientists realized that it is too small to be a planet. To be a planet, there are few characteristics that a planet should have, that a heavenly body should have. But Pluto is really very small, and it is now known as the dwarf planet or the small planet. Now come to page number 94. There you can see that the planets like Venus. This is the closest planet from the sun. It is very bright and hottest planet. So which is the closest planet from the sun? Venus. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system? Venus. Mercury. Mercury is the closest to sun, second closest to sun, and definitely Mercury is, it take 88 days to complete the full or one orbit around the sun. It takes 88 days to complete one orbit around the sun. So this is very important thing. Now come to the next, that is the Mars. We all know about Mars. And then first, second, second, which is the second planet from the sun, that is the second is Mercury, and third one is Earth, where we live. So the distance from from the sun of the Earth is like, we all know, almost that is 15 crore kilometer. Okay, and that is also very important. So this is the here we can get the equable temperature, so we can survive over there. Otherwise it will not be possible to survive over here, but it is now possible for us to survive over here. Now next one is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet. So you can see that there are so many expeditions that really there is life in the Mars or not. We really very eager to know about that because of the position of the Mars. Okay, for that we are really very keenly interested to know about all these things. Even Mars is there, so many expeditions, so many things we are uh, continuously conducting for that purpose. So today you will learn up to Mars. Next onwards we will start to discuss from Jupiter, and today you will learn from there up to there, and next class we will learn from Jupiter. If you have any kind of doubt, ask me at the dphd@gmail.com, and you can find out the query, okay, and I try to solve that. So before that I would like to tell that I need the question answers copies. Send me the copies at the dphd@gmail.com, address like Dear Momam, and send me the copy. So stay tuned. Bye bye. Be safe and healthy.